Hi guys, welcome to For Those Who Code. In this video, we'll be learning how we can create user interface with Figma in fast pace. In this video, we'll be completely having a speed run where I'll be tracking my time and we will try to complete a design of a landing screen in just 20 minutes. Let's take a quick look and outline on Whiteboard, which is a free online whiteboarding tool. So let's get started. So I've already opened the whiteboard and started some sketches. I didn't want to waste your time looking at those sketches, uh, uh, like drawing it out as well. Let me quickly go through what we'll be making. We'll be making a simple landing page for our fictitious bitcoins and cryptocurrency associated landing page, where we'll have simple navigation, our brand logo, some nav links, and a call to action with get started and login, and some maybe probably a heading and subheading with a big CTA, and something in the right, some big image where we can reflect our um, brand in a sense, and we can have some like curves or abstract shapes down here near our first fold, and a 3 div which represents some uh, probably some numbers which reflects the strength of our product, and a simple heading and a subheading with three features that we comparatively uh, are indistinguishable, three features that are comparatively most useful features in our application, and maybe a customer section where we can have some irregular mentionary grid and some image of our customers and some testimonials with the stars as well. And then in the bottom of the customers, we can also include some uh, pricing. For now, we can have two cards which shows some amount and some CTA, call to action button in the bottom. And in the bottom, we can have a footer and a brand and social links and quick links and some form, a simple form to reflect our subscription for newsletters. This will be building in Figma. We'll be replicating this stuff in Figma. We'll be making 1440 screen size and call it screen. And inside here we can have 1440 and give it a center and a height of around maybe 750, and give it a proper height for now. And then for this background, we can use a predefined color that we have, and 1440 for our container. So we can use this one, and I'll bring in some assets that we need as well, which would be brand logo, and give it around 170 pixels, which should be fine. So for our anchors, we can use some around 17 pixel, and medium would be fine. And then copy this one, paste it, add an outer layout, add products, blog, contact us. I think this would be pretty much fine for now. Let's also use sign up, and for this one we can add auto layout and give it round padding add a Go Premium here, and copy this one, vertically align all this to center, and then also let's bring on some assets that we need for the banner as well. Let's place it over here, and let's also give a heading like all around the online currencies. Let's give it 45. Let's string a little bit on site. So, marketing coin platform. Let's also add some colors that we have as well. Now let's add some subheading. The subheading can be around 26 pixel. It can be regular as well, and it's pure white. And then we keep with the sophisticated system. Let's also add a learn more button now, and add a auto layout, probably around 17 to 31. And then also give it a feel of purple. Group it and vertically align it center with the image that we have as well. Let's copy the banner and give it around height of 99. Put it at the bottom, and I will shrink it a little bit, give it an abstract shape, and then we can add some strokes as well. 45 pixel with bold. And then probably around 25 pixel, which can be medium, and a little bit of grayish color. Operating countries. Group it, then maybe around 24/7. Probably some pleasing text of support, and I think we're pretty much fine for now. Now we can add some text that we need. And add 38 medium. And then give it around 50 for now. It'll be fine. And then around 22 pixels to this one. And then set it to auto and regular. And then we can know and understand about the coins. So okay, so we can also add some colors to this one, probably around here, and then we can also add fast updating market, which can be around 25 pixel medium, and then this can have 79 I think. Probably sorting this one, and then probably around 22 pixel regular, center it, and then we can center this one as well, and then probably save transition and worldwide payment. So all right, so now let's place some icons that we have. And this one. I think we're pretty much done for this one. Now let's move on to our next. So right here we can add some banner image, or maybe around background, mild background, where we can add some 38 pixel of heading. And a subheading as well. Maybe we can add some white background with some testimonials here. I think we're pretty much okay for our testimonials. Let's add some colors for our stars as well. And for our testimonials, we can add some zigzag layout. And maybe we can add some banners. Some image. Now let's move on to adding some pricing page that we have as well. Now let's continue with our pricing. Now let's continue with our pricing section that we have, and name it transparent pricing. And inside here we can 1,000 of developers around the world. let's give it a price of 747 and have it around same thing that we have here. Let's also add some text over here and around 70 pixel regular, and also add some border radius to the buttons, and then now I think we're pretty much fine. Let's move ahead to do the footer. Also, let's also bring in some social icons that we have as well. Add auto layout and with the gaps of around 20 maybe, and add this one up here. add quick links, make 17 pixel, and write some links and paste it down. Add auto layout for this one. Contact us, and lastly let's also add some subscribe link over here with some anchors. I mean, so also add some text, example dot copy this one, paste the styles, and then copy the learn more, and then this is stupid. Alright, we could have made a single button component, but anyway, add some and lastly let's also add a footer. I mean, for the copyright issues, and I think here we have it ready. So guys, I have added some few tweaks in the design, and here we have our final UI speedrun output. So it took me around 24 to 25 minutes nearly. So I think it's a pretty decent effort that we did. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys want to learn more about design and development, please like, share, and subscribe with a click down below. I'll be trying to make more better videos like this. See you in the next one. Cheers.